So to this point, we've looked at how to insert or attach files and assignments in 3 different ways. We've seen what happens when you make a copy for each student. We've seen what happens when you send view-only instructions, and we've also sent a document where all the students in the class can share. What do we do if we've got like a large project that has multiple components? We're going to take a look at that one right now. So in our Google Classroom, you know the drill. Classwork. We're going to create an assignment. And here we're going to just call this the big project. Maybe we've got an example of previous student work to help them. We've got questions that they need to answer, and we've also got some sort of brainstorming document. I mean, we're running the gamut here. We are not limited in how many attachments we can send to an assignment, but you probably want to keep it to a reasonable number. Otherwise, kids are going to get disorganized and bogged down. So we come here, we click on the add button, just like we have, and in our drive, we're going to go ahead and select, well, we've got, directions for our assignment, questions we will need to answer, and the collaborative document. I'm selecting all 3 of these at once. You can go in and select one at a time, and that's fine too. I'm going to add these. Notice here it brought 3 documents over. It defaults to having the kids view the files, but for each one we want to make sure that we've got it set the right way. Directions for the assignment, that's what we want the kids to just be able to view. Questions they'll need to answer, this is one that we're going to switch over to make a copy for each student. And the document for a class brainstorm, this is the one where we want all the kids to be able to get in there together. So at this point, we're doing different things with different files, and the kids are going to end up turning in the document questions you'll need to answer. If I go ahead and click assign, all of these show up in the kids' inbox. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that so we can see what the student sees. And now we're looking at the student view. And give it a second to post. It's right here. This is how it will look for a student. So notice 2 of the 3 documents show up right here, directions for your assignment and the collaborative document. Here is the copy it created just for this student of the work that we want to be turned in. So when the student has read this and done the brainstorming document, they'll open up this document, add to it, and then that's what they will turn in.